Here we are at 5842 Walkabout Way. We're in the Greystone community, which is on the west side of Brownsburg. This is a Pulte-built neighborhood. I like Pulte so well that I personally live in a Pulte-built home that is less than a mile from here. So I love this location. There's tons of amenities in this neighborhood that we'll show you. I want to take you inside and show off this gorgeous house. As we come inside, you will see this is a really cool floor plan. I love the openness. Come over here towards the garage, lots of storage there, 2 bedrooms and a full bath back there, and then opening into this fabulous, very open kitchen, breakfast nook, great room, sunroom area. You can see it is just upgraded galore. You've got staggered cabinets, you've got brass fixtures, these gorgeous quartz counters that have room for the bar stools. Your stainless appliances all stay, gas range, tile backsplash, tons of natural light flowing in here. There is surround sound speakers built into the wall. There's a security system built in. Just a lot of upgrades that make this really nice. We're on a tree-lined lot here, and we've got an oversized patio. So with this sunroom and all this open space, there's just so many options. Makes for such an awesome home. Coming into the owner's suite, I really wanted to show this off. It's awesome, it's nice, good size. You got the 9-foot ceilings throughout the house, and these beautiful windows are all displaying that tree line back there. Beautiful backyard, nice owner's suite here. Let me take you into the owner's bath. Here we are in this fabulous owner's suite. You see these gorgeous quartz counters are carried in here in this raised height. And then what really differentiates this spot is over here, they've got a whole makeup area, if you will, again with the quartz counters, nice bit of storage in there, and this awesome walk-in tiled shower. You've got a huge closet in here and a separate water closet. So everything you want in an owner's suite. As you can see, there are so many upgrades in this place. It's move-in ready for you. So if you need a personal tour to see all of this, give me a call. I'll be happy to show it to you. It's ready for you whenever you are.